Here's how to get free shipping on Shein. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to open a brand new account on Shein. While opening your account on Shein, you will get a pop-up window. You will get here $3 off on your first order. No click on, go shopping. The layout of the Shein app will look like this. You can scroll down to see different types of product. Now click on Main button, which is on the right bottom side of the screen. The next window will look like this. Now click on the Coupons. You will find here your coupons of different types. You can use these coupons while shopping according to the terms and policies of the Shein app. Now come back to the category option here. You have many types products. Now I will show you how to get free shipping on Shein. So first, I select this dress to buy. You can also check people's reviews about the product before ordering. Now click on Add to Cart button. Then click on the Checkout button. The next page will look like this. Here you have to add your address details. First of all, you have to add your country. Then first name and last name, phone number. Make sure to add the correct phone number. Next, you have to add your province or state, city, and other details. Now click on the Save buttons. And now click on this button. Here you will see an important message which is, buy another product of $27 to enjoy, free shipping, so click on it, add buys more products. When you are done, you just now have to add your payment method to pay for the product, and your product will deliver to your house with a free shipping offer.